In this video, you'll learn how to create an account on Teamviewer in just a few minutes so you can unlock all the features for remote control and easy collaboration. First, open your browser and go to teamviewer.com. Click the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the homepage. This will take you to the account creation page, where you'll set up your free Teamviewer profile. Next, fill in your details. Enter your name, email address, and a strong password. Make sure to use an email you have access to, since you'll need to verify it later in the sign-up process. Now, agree to the terms and privacy policy, then click Sign Up. Teamviewer will instantly create your account and send a verification email to the address you provided during the registration process. After that, open your inbox and find the verification email from Teamviewer. Click the link inside to activate your account. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder just to be safe. Once your account is verified, log into Teamviewer by going back to the website or opening the desktop app. You can now connect your devices, manage contacts, and use all the features your account unlocks. And that's it. Your Teamviewer account is now ready, and you can start controlling and collaborating with computers from anywhere.